Also new at 11, a case of whooping cough has shown up at a Providence school. Now we've learned health officials are taking steps to make sure other students are protected. Eyewitness News reporter Catherine Sotnick is live outside the Department of Health with the Providence Mobile Newsroom.
And Susan, the Department of Health tells me tonight that the whooping cough actually got its name many years ago because children who are diagnosed with it actually cough so much that they can't even breathe. They gasp for air, and now a local student has been diagnosed with it as well. The Rhode Island Department of Health confirms a student at the Gilbert Stewart Middle School in Providence has come down with the whooping cough. They tell us a population of students at the school. At this point, it's unclear how many have not received their recommended whooping cough booster shot before the start of 7th grade. Concerning for this local mom whose daughter is in 5th grade.
She said that it's important for the kids to have it.
The illness, which is also known as pertussis, is characterized by a severe cough. We're told a vaccination is required before children enter kindergarten, and a vaccination is also recommended in 7th grade, but not required. In this case, the Department of Health tells us they will offer vaccinations for the children not up to date on their shots on Monday from 4 to 6 at the school. Students, they say, should be there with a parent, and they also need their insurance cards. So a potentially serious situation here in the Department of Health. The health officials also tell me that the student in this case right now is at home, they believe, and not in the hospital. Reporting live tonight outside the Department of Health with the Providence Mobile Newsroom, I'm Catherine Sotnick, Eyewitness News.